Take a credit card and place on the glass. Now place a small cup on it, it will fall. But if you fill the glass with water and then place a cup on the card, it will stay as it is. Not only that, if you put a marble, it will still hold it. This is due to water adhesion. Try it yourself. Take a glass filled with water. Place a potato inside it, it will sink. Now try adding salt to it. You will notice once you have added some spoons, potato will start floating. This is due to salt water is denser, and it is the same reason every body floats in Dead Sea. Take a candle and light it. Now take a glass filled with half water and add sodium bicarbonate to it. It will form gas. Now pretend to transfer something into empty glass. Now pour that empty glass onto the candle. The candle will blow away immediately. Do you know you can make a speedboat which emits tail at home? Let me show you how. Take a piece of paper and cut like a boat. Take pen ink. Now put a drop of ink onto the back side of boat. Place the boat into the water. It will run while emitting a tail. Try it yourself, you will love it. When we fill the glass with water, the arrows change the direction. Watch again carefully. The reason is water refraction. The light bends due to glass of water, and due to that the light rays are reversed, and it feels arrow has changed direction. Same happens with two strips of colors, and it changes directions.